2025 CR 008090, State versus Francis Marie Oliva. Can I have parties announced?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Rebecca Alex for defense.
And are you Francis Oliva?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Oliva, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yeah.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Oliva, did you review?
This isn't just another courtroom hearing. It's a felony harassment charge against Francis Oliva, where deferred adjudication hangs in the balance. But the judge's warnings reveal just how quickly this case could spiral into disaster.
$1 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to $10,000 fine? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yeah.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, sir.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense? Ms. Oliva, sorry.
It's okay. It happens all the time.
I've been working on my Spanish. I'm doing the best I can. Okay. All right. Well, I'm doing great then. All right. Has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
Yeah.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yeah.
Are you a U.S. citizen? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with the your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, there's a $2,000 fine and state recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense? State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there any such motions?
No.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that the deferred adjudication be for a term of 8 years. There be a TAP evaluation and 200 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State offer states exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objection.
All right. Did you review the waiver document with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent. Did you understand? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court has reviewed the same. The court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yeah.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, it's probably good.
All right. So are you still with or living with Ariel Gutierrez?
Living in the studio 6 hotel with my son.
City of where?
Studio 6 with my son.
Oh, okay. Studio 6. That's a place, not a. Oh, okay. Okay.
Provides the kitchen and everything that I need to cook quickly for them.
Okay. And are you employed?
Yes, ma'am. I'm full-time with the Circle K. I'm actually about to be a manager for them.
Well, congratulations. It appears that this was a bad night for you.
In all honesty, it's supposed to be a great day celebrating my wife going into school.
Mhm.
And
Well-
about an hour later, that's happened.
Yeah, nothing good happens at a certain point. And sometimes For every celebration, you don't need alcohol.
I agree with you 1,000%. My wife has never been drunk a day in her life, and she wanted to experience it. She's also a culinary chef. So
Okay.
it started experiencing it.
Ah. So here's the thing. I've learned never say 1,000% because it's not true. You know, whenever you watch Maury Povich, when people are doing the DNA test to determine if somebody's the father, anytime somebody says, I'm 1,000% sure he's the father, guess what it comes back? You are not the father. And it's because when you go past 100%, you're just trying to sell it now.
Yeah.
So just keep it at 100.
It's the same thing. I really don't. I only did it because my wife is really getting drunk.
Oh, wow. Well, that's a no.
She had never been drunk a day in her life, so she wanted to experience it at the age of 30.
Okay. Well, here's the thing. While you're on probation, you're not allowed to drink alcohol. It's not allowed. Okay. All right. So this is what the court is going to do. There's a $2,000 fine. It will be probated. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. Proof of employment within 30.
And here's the curveball. While on probation, alcohol is completely forbidden. The judge drops that hammer right after Francis explains drinking to celebrate. Do you think that condition is fair, or does it feel overly strict?
Satisfied. Field visits 1 time per month until further notice. And does she have any criminal history other than this? And what would that be? All right.
But I just finished probation fully.
All right. Any felonies? Do you have any felonies?
Not really. So I think it was for that charge as well.
Okay.
And I did finish my probation. I had to leave my probation officer because I was to get off the list early.
All right. I'm going to sentence you to 4 years deferred adjudication. There's to be no contact with Ariel Gutierrez. You said you all are not together anymore.
Still, like, we've been separated this whole time for this, but I'm hoping to get contact back with her because she's literally the person who has been helping me. Like,
It was because of it.
yeah, that's the reason.
Well,
why.
you all will have to come to me showing me that there is no longer a protective order in place. And then for incidents such as these, I want to speak to that person and make sure that they are not in fear. That's what I have to do to protect the community. So you'll need to talk to probation about that. Then probation can come to me. But for now, no contact. You understand what you need to do in order to have contact? Talk to your attorney. What I'm telling you is I don't do or lift no contact orders unless I get a chance to speak to the complainant. And I understand that this was involving alcohol, but there was a lot going on. Probation, is there anything else?
Judge, did you want that TAP evaluation completed?
We can do TAP evaluation out of custody.
Okay, Judge, nothing else.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? All right. Because this plea bargaining.
In the end, Francis received 4 years of deferred adjudication, strict probation, and a no-contact order. A fair chance for rehabilitation or a harsh leash? What's your take on this ruling? Drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe for more dramatic courtroom moments.